Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your bank statement from the Sparkasse app. First, unlock your phone and open the Sparkasse app. On the login screen, enter your banking details. Now look for the menu icon. This is usually located in the top corner of the screen, or tap on the profile icon to open more options. From the menu, find and select the option called Postfach, which means mailbox, or sometimes it may be labeled as documents depending on your app version. Inside this section you will see different types of messages and files from your bank. Look for the category named Konto Asuge, which means account statements. Tap on it to open the list of available statements. Next, choose the account if you have more than one. Then select the specific month and year for the statement you need. The app will display the available document for that period. Once you find the correct statement, tap on it to open. You should now see an option to download the file. Look for a download icon or a button that allows you to save the document. Tap on it, and the statement will be saved as a PDF file directly to your phone. Thanks for watching.